Hello everyone, my name is Pracheth Vitthaladevuni and my mentor is Sophia Parks. I live in San Diego. I chose to research my topic because I noticed antibiotics are a major prescription for curing dangerous infections, but I also wanted to learn about the side effects. I learned about how the gut microbiome is a major player in immunity and how it affects many different parts of the body, such as the immune system. Then I realized I wanted to do research on how antibiotics affect the microbiome, a major player in many bodily functions. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are prescription medicines that fight off dangerous diseases. Before antibiotics were invented, even minor infections could be fatal. Antibiotics kill bacteria and can prevent infections, but antibiotics also kill off good bacteria, like the ones found in the gut microbiome. A lower diversity in gut bacteria can cause many health issues because the gut bacteria is essential for life. This leads me to the methods of the survey I published. Consisted of 31 questions. We dispersed it to the public with WhatsApp groups and flyers. We left it out for 2 weeks before closing it to analyze the data. All of our surveys were anonymous, and we received a total of 106 respondents from the US and India. Some of the following results are as follows. 99% of respondents had been on an antibiotic regimen before. This shows how reliant we are on it. 53.4% of the respondents took antibiotics because of a respiratory infection. The most common symptom of antibiotic usage was bloating or gas. Only 2 people of 101 had new infections after stopping their course of antibiotics. This is the graphs and pie charts of the data. Observations that I noticed were antibiotics are commonly prescribed. Some studies say perhaps too much, but they're very effective at killing bacteria, both bad and unfortunately good, causing digestive problems. Now for the discussion. The gut microbiome is the trillions of organisms, viruses, bacteria, and eukaryotes in the gut microbiome that break down nutrients needed to survive. Their presence maintains a balance of homeostasis within the microbiome. The microbiome forms during birth. A child receives microbiome from their mother. By age 3, the microbiome is usually fully developed. The gut microbiome plays a vital role in the immune system. It keeps a balance, training the immune system to differentiate between foreign tissues and self tissues. The microbiome helps the immune system not only target its own tissues and only pathogens. Without the microbiome, there would be autoimmune disorders where the immune system targets its own tissues, causing chronic inflammation. The gut-brain barrier is the interconnected passageways, both physical and communicational, between the gut and the brain. It not only affects digestion, but also affects the mood, behavior, and cognitive function. Antibiotics eliminate both the good and bad bacteria in the gut microbiome. This disrupts the balance in the homeostasis the microbiome maintains and disrupts the digestion. Alternatives to antibiotics are fecal microbiota transplant or FMT. It's a newly discovered treatment which involves transferring the feces of a healthy person with a healthy microbiome to an unhealthy patient. The procedure should transfer some bacteria to the unhealthy patient, increasing their gut diversity. Then there's probiotics, such as yogurt, kefir, and other probiotic supplements. They're the main types of probiotics that increase the diversity in the gut microbiome. They're not close to as effective as antibiotics, but still work for small infections. But their main use is still prevention. Then there's prebiotics, such as inulin. They're non-digestible ingredients that promote gut health. Prebiotics maintain a healthy microbiome. In conclusion, the gut function is essential for the body, and antibiotics disrupt this, causing many negative effects and can increase health issues. Without a healthy and diverse microbiome, autoimmune disorders can form, causing chronic inflammation. Digestive issues can also occur, but antibiotics cure infections but also cause major disruption to the gut microbiome, which can have a dangerous results if not cared for properly. This is my references page. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, my paper will be published soon. Thank you.